Want to deposit Bitcoin into your Robinhood account? It's easy. First, make sure you have a verified Robinhood account and have enabled crypto trading. Open the Robinhood app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the crypto section, then select Bitcoin. Next, tap Transfer and then Deposit BTC. You'll see an option to generate address. Tap this, and your unique Bitcoin wallet address and corresponding QR code will be displayed. The address is a 26 to 35 character alphanumeric string, and the QR code is its scannable version for mobile use. This address is unique to you and may regenerate for security reasons. You can then copy the address or scan the QR code with your external wallet to initiate the BTC transfer. Remember that no fees are charged by Robinhood for the deposit itself, but standard network fees will apply for the Bitcoin transaction. Your Bitcoin wallet address on Robinhood is like a bank account number for receiving BTC. The QR code simplifies the process, reducing errors when transferring from mobile wallets. When depositing, double-check the address for accuracy to avoid losing your funds. While Robinhood holds your BTC custodially, meaning they control the private keys, they implement strong security measures. Keep in mind that withdrawals to external wallets may be restricted. For security, use two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Robinhood account and avoid sharing screenshots of your QR code online. Addresses are not linked to your identity publicly, but Robinhood does verify its users. Blockchain confirmations are required for deposit finalization, which can take between 10 to 60 minutes depending on network congestion. If you ever have issues, Robinhood offers customer support to help you through the process.